So the Purple Beast is one of the more unique projects I've done here. Full custom Ruckus build. Basically, guy wanted to go all out, use some nice parts on there. Did a complete custom one-off rear frame. Haven't done anything like it before. We got some nice 12-inch custom wheels on there, two-piece design. Got them custom anodized purple, black centers. Got RGS low-down forks on there, custom seat, all professionally upholstered seat. Well, the best part about this project was it was pretty much money's no object. So the customer almost gave me free rein to do what I wanted. He gave me his preference on color and a basic layout of the design that he wanted, but I got to pick out all the parts that went on there. He gave me final approval of the parts, but he pretty much approved everything we did, and it just came out perfect.